Hello everyone, welcome back on here once again. I trust you're doing well and fine. Today we are going to be cooking together water yam porridge, what we call oto in Akwa Ibom state. So sit back, relax and watch me cook. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop me your comments. I would like to hear from you guys. So I like to start first of all by peeling the water yam. This is what water yam looks like in case you do not know. So I like to start first of all by prepping the water yam because it takes the longest of prep among all the other ingredients. I just cut and peel and then we are going to be grating. I'm done peeling. I'll wash. Now we are going to be grating using the box grater, but we are going to be using the tiny part of the holes to grate the water yam. So I'll grate all of this and I'll come back to us. I'm done grating. I just add a bit of salt and I will mix the water yam all together. So this is ready. I'll just set it aside and then we can start cooking. So I prepped the other ingredients off the camera so that this recipe can be a very quick one. And the method to which I'm going to be using for this water yam porridge is just one of the methods to which we can prepare the water yam. In the future, I will share other methods. I had a clean pot on the gas turned on, and when it was hot, I added in palm oil. Now the palm oil is ready to receive the onions. We will saute the onions for about a minute. Next, I add in about 2 tablespoons of crayfish. Stir. Next, I add in water. You can use stock water if you have stock water. Enough quantity that will cook the food. In goes the boiled goat's meat. You can use any protein of your choice. Now I added in dry shrimps, deboned smoked fish, and also stock fish. All of this is to add more flavor and taste to the food. Some people even add biscuit bone to it. Next, I add dry Cameroon pepper. I like a lot of palm oil. You can reduce your palm oil. In goes salt. I love a lot of palm oil with this particular dish. We'll cover and bring it to a proper boil for about 10 minutes. I'm back to the pot now. Here I am certain that all of the flavors from this fish, the stock fish, has gone into the water. So now I test and the test was okay. Time now to cut in the grated water yam. So I just put them in small lumps, bit by bit, into the pot. This is a very quick recipe and it's also a delicious meal that can be enjoyed just by anyone. So the ingredients I use from the onset, if you're watching: palm oil, chopped onions, protein which is goat meat, you can skip that, it's optional, dry shrimps, stock fish, deboned dry fish, crayfish, salt and pepper, and now our water yam. One more ingredient is left. Keep watching. Also importantly, do not stir at this point. To stir, it will break down all of the lumps. We would want to have little lumps in this porridge. All done now, I will cover and allow it cook properly, say for about 8 minutes to 10 minutes. I'm back to it now. I'll just stir very gently, like you see the way I'm stirring, very gently, because I do not want to break down the lumps. So I'll cover and continue cooking. After 5 minutes, I'm back to it. This food is ready. So I just added in my chopped scent leaf and this is ready.